I just got the email that my parrot is... Hi, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. This is too low. I'm gonna clean up a little first. Oh, I need a scissors. Okay, I still need a scissors. How fun is that? Okay. Hi, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met. If we have met, welcome back. Did not expect this today. Should have expected it, but didn't. Guess what showed up? I just got the email that my Paradise Fiber subscriptions showed up, so I went to the mailbox. It is so beautiful outside. Oh my goodness. So I was happy to trot out there slowly so I could enjoy it as long as possible, and as soon as we're done, I'm going back outside. I just didn't want to film out there because it's also very breezy, and when the wind blows across the little microphone holes, it makes that noise, and nobody wants that. Some people leave it in anyway, but nobody wants it. First of all, it came, I believe this is both of them. They came in this big package, which was very smart because they mail me 2 every month, because they send me 1 to open on my channel, and then I give 1 away to one of you. When they ship them together like this, they get a better rate. So that's so smart. I don't know why I never thought of it. I'm surprised they never thought of it before. So here we go. There will be 2 packages in here, and look how pretty this is this month. Also, I always have to cover up the label with my address and everything, and I don't have to do that when they send it like this. So that's really cool. Look how beautiful that is. Also, it's very representative of the skies here in Michigan today, except with less clouds. I'm so happy to see the sun, can you tell? And let me grab the extra one from last month. So this is the one that we'll be giving away at the end of this video, so don't log off after you've seen what's in these packages. And if you would like to find out how to win one of these, all you have to do is comment on a video that I make from here until the next package shows up. And the live chat on the lives does not count. It has to be an actual comment. So just letting you know. I pick one randomly at the end of each video for the prior month. I'm very excited. I got home Sunday night, barely Sunday night. There's like 15 minutes left of, no, Saturday night. I got home Saturday night from Maryland Sheep and Wool. There were like maybe 15 minutes left of Saturday when I got here. Yesterday is a bit of a blur because I was so tired, but I did not buy myself any spinning fiber, partially because I'm feeling a little overwhelmed by my stash, but I bought myself some shirts and some other stuff, and they'll all be in the next video. Also, next video usually comes out on Tuesday. I'm gonna push it back until Thursday just because this is gonna come out on Monday, and back to back is kind of hard for me to get done because I'm working on editing the other video right now. So I'm gonna slip this into the rotation, get it done, and then move that one back a little bit, okay? So if you're ready, let's open one of these. I'm quite excited to see what's in here. I saw, did I see a spoiler? No. I haven't seen a spoiler. I haven't seen any hints because somebody has been posting on the boards in Paradise Fibers, like the day that their package comes, they're posting pictures instead of putting it in the spoiler thread. So now I'm afraid to go to the group at all because I might accidentally like see what's in the package when that stuff is supposed to go in a spoiler thread, so that if as long as I don't open the spoiler, I know I won't see it, and it's not happening. So I'm just staying away. I have no idea what's in here. I have a guess, kind of, but especially based on this, I'm guessing it's something cloud-like. What do you think? Am I right? Have you gotten your package already before you're seeing this? Let me know. Let's focus you down and open it up. I hope it's something I can dye because I'm feeling the itch right now. Oh look, there's the mess. I'm feeling like my studio is a little bit like crazy and I need to just spend a whole entire day just cleaning and putting things away. And I mean, they're really still organized. It's just there's a lot of stuff that's out and needs to be put away. So I don't know, maybe this week. I thought this week would be so relaxing and it's already shaping up to be really busy. Are you ready? Okay, so people are always afraid I might cut what's in here. So now I just make a small cut and pull. I'm always a little afraid too, so I get it. Now, it says Walking on Sunshine, featuring a new Cheviot sock blend and Country Classics dyes. So they sent dyes in here. That's super cool. And a new sock blend. Okay, this has the info on it for what's in the bag, but on the other card, there is some information about dyeing with, I'm assuming the dyes that came, some ideas on, you know, the yarns in the pan and how you might configure your dyes. Oh, wow. And here is another idea. You can actually look back in my videos. I did this in a video, oh gosh, 2 years ago, year and a half ago. I'll put a link in the description box to the video where I did this type of resist speckling. So, all right, here we go. Okay. So it says, first, the cloud-like blend has the characteristics of a classic sock yarn with extra loft and strength, superwash, and 25% faux cashmere. So that's nylon. It says this machine washable blend will give your feet much deserved warmth and woolly hugs. Okay. Wow, wait a minute. How much is this? 8 ounces. You guys, you know me. I could get 3 pairs of socks out of this. Now, will I? I don't know. But I'm not sure how I feel about faux cashmere. I guess this is something we need to try out. It's much softer than just Cheviot alone. I can't wait to dye this. Oh, I can't wait. You know that nylon will dye too. It feels really nice. Yeah, I might really like this sock blend. We've got to try it out though. Okay, so I think we know what we're doing next week already. Actually, I might have a video already for next week, but soon. We're doing it soon. Okay. All right, and then there's a notions bag in here, which there usually is. Look, it's all sunshiny, yellow satin. All right, let's try and go through this in the order they listed it. Okay, a Sunshine. Vinyl sheep sticker. That's cute. That's like very kind of 70s vibes. Isn't that cuteness with the sunburst around it? I love. I never use them. I'm very tempted to use this one. I saved them. I know, I'm a crazy hoarder. A Sunny Ginger Stash tea. I've been drinking more tea since I gave up coffee, and I bet I would really like this. I always smell it, and you can never smell anything inside. One Head in the Clouds Stitch Marker Progress Keeper. Oh, this is so pretty. Look. I love it. So this is probably epoxy, I don't know, with clouds inside. Oh my God, I love that. And then 4 Country Classics dye samples, Mountain Aqua, Very Hot Pink, Key Lime, and Raven. So they come in these envelopes. How much is in each of these? This is quite a bit of dye. 20 grams. So that's 20 grams is a pretty good amount of dye. I mean, I would not need all this, would I? I don't think I need all this dye for this. I've dyed with Country Classics before. You've seen me do it. Well, maybe you haven't. I'll actually link to that because they have sent it before in packages. It will dye like everything and it's really nice that way. The one I had last time I think was Mountain Aqua. So I would like to try their Very Hot Pink because pinks can be kind of hard, and I mean, I'm always a sucker for key lime. So maybe we'll, I don't know, we'll decide. But this is a pretty significant amount of dye they sent. Just so you guys are aware, I am gonna split this into at least 2 bunches and do 2 different things with it. For me, 4 ounces is enough for like a huge pair of socks. It's a lot, but I think I'll just split this into 2 4-ounce batches and we'll dye it. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to do this. I just feel in the mood to do some dyeing, and I've been thinking about spinning socks just recently. No, I don't think I've spun anything since Extravaganza for socks. So perfect timing, and this feels really nice. Let's go pick a winner for last month's extra subscription package. So first we need to go to YouTube and count the videos. Okay, so here is the last one. We start with that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that was on my birthday, the last month's one. So we need to start with the 8th. So 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we go to random number generator. And we go 1 through 9 and generate. It's number 1. So the last unboxing is the one. We need to grab a link and then do random comment picker. Paste the link. Get comments. Ready? Aaron, you win! So all you have to do, Aaron, is send me your snail mail address to my email address, fiberloveddiary@gmail.com, and I will get this in the mail to you. Congratulations! So Thursday will be a kind of like a recap of Maryland Sheep and Wool. I'll show you what I got. I'll tell you about my trip. I think by now a lot of you guys know the weather was a little bit unseasonably cold and crappy, but I still loved every single minute of it. Well, except when I was freezing. I had a great time. So, but I will recap on Thursday. There's a video with pictures and I took a lot of clips of video. And then next week I have a special project that I've been working on for a really long time to show you. And then after that, we'll be dyeing some of this up. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have an amazing week. I love you guys. I want you guys all to know that I think you're amazing, and apparently my video cut off. I will see you very soon. Thanks. I love you. Bye.